Adding new products to your store, even something simple can trigger an account review if your processor sees it as a change in business model. Here is a quick way to prepare. Make a list of the new items you plan to sell. Add a category and check if your current processor allows them. If you see a mismatch, that is a red flag your account could get flagged or frozen. Many processors don't stop at the initial approval. They also keep monitoring what you are selling over time. Introducing products in restricted categories, even if they're only part of your catalog, can cause reviews or sudden holds. By checking against restrictions first, you will know which products are safe to launch and which might put your account at risk. With EasyPay Direct, you don't have to guess. Their underwriting process ensures your account is matched with banks that actually support your product line, even as you expand. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. They also work with nearly every vertical, which means fewer surprises when you decide to grow. If you're ready to expand into new products without risking account reviews, EasyPay Direct can guide you from the start. The link to get started is in the description when you are ready.